Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to enable cleanup and where to find it on HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To save our space a little bit, we have to go to the settings. Next we have to scroll down until we can see storage options here. We have to tap it once, and here we have our cleanup application. To save some space from unwanted applications leftovers, we just simply tap cleanup. Here we have another few options. For example, junk files. Let's clean this up. It's cleared. We have a little bit more space on our phone now. Very simple. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.